It was day 2 of the 2017 Department of the Navy Forum on SBIR STTR Transition, the FST, and crowds continued to pack the Gaylord Convention Center. The FST expanded collaboration opportunities across the Navy acquisition, warfighter, and industry communities. Day 2 keynote speaker, Mr. James Smerchansky, Executive Director, Naval Sea Systems Command, focused his presentation on building the future Navy fleet through the use of SBIR STTR technologies.
We do a lot of business with small business. Sometimes, we know what our needs are, but it's based on what we know and what we think we need, when at other times, if you get a good idea from somebody, you say, oh man, now that could actually be used to solve the problem. The ability to get to you, the ability to move fast, the ability to have options, all of that is what we would use SBIRs for.
FST guests attended Small Business Tech Talks learning more about Navy-funded SBIR STTR technologies and participated in one-on-one meetings with small businesses set up through the virtual transition marketplace. Exhibiting SBIR STTR companies and the technologies they've developed will meet the many needs of the fleet and force. Triton Systems is focused on innovative solutions to military challenges in unique operational environments.
We're here to show our contamination-resistant bearing that we're developing for the V-22 Osprey. We have a system to keep the contamination out and keep the bearing from wearing, allowing the bearing to last up to twice as long, which means the aircraft is in the air instead of on the ground.
Physical Optics Corporation has a 30-year history of integrating technical innovations to address warfighter needs.
This is a software-based controller that stabilizes anything that moves. And in this case, we want to stabilize an underwater tow body that is towing this synthetic aperture sonar. We want to have the capability to differentiate benign object and dangerous object.
Innovative Dynamics Incorporated has developed a UAV icing avoidance system. Besides supporting the warfighting mission, the system also has commercial applications.
Any general aviation aircraft, any vehicle that doesn't have ice protection could use this device. It's very small and compact, so it can be integrated very easily into a platform.
Tuesday featured an afternoon panel on realizing fleet savings through SBIR STTR. SBIR STTR technologies continue to contribute to reducing operation and maintenance costs now and into the future.
Very important that we get those topics in that apply into whether it's F-35 or a ship or a helicopter, that apply to those sustainment type technologies. We've got to see those sustainment type technologies so that we can realize those savings 5, 6, and 7 years out.
Throughout the day, exhibitors again had the opportunity to share their technologies with Navy and civilian leaders. Participants continued to interact with the 98 small businesses represented at this year's FST.
You see all different aspects of technology advances out here, ideas, new innovation, improvements. Oh yes, it's a great opportunity.
Small business innovations you see in the FST exhibit hall are truly best of breed. During the past fiscal year alone, 151 Department of Navy SBIR and STTR projects earned $507 million in non-SBIR investments and/or sales. Wednesday, the final day of the FST, offers SBIR STTR exhibitors the opportunity to meet with representatives from the Department of Navy acquisition programs, prime contractors, and other government organizations. Follow FST updates on the web.